Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops. First, you will need to acquire the game, typically through digital storefronts like your console's store or PC platforms, or by purchasing a physical disc. Once you have the game, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for smooth performance. Then, simply download and install all the necessary game files and any day one updates. Finally, create or log in to your Activision account to access all the online features and start your journey. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay. You will want to master basic movement, including sprinting, crouching, and proning, to navigate maps efficiently. Always aim down sights for improved accuracy, especially in firefights. Understanding and controlling your weapon's recoil pattern is crucial for consistent shots. Don't forget to strategically use your tactical equipment, like stun grenades and lethal grenades, such as frag grenades, to gain an advantage over opponents. Call of Duty Black Ops offers several exciting ways to play. You can immerse yourself in the thrilling, cinematic single-player campaign, experiencing a rich story. For competitive action, jump into the fast-paced multiplayer modes, battling other players across diverse maps. If you prefer cooperative play, team up with friends to survive endless waves of the undead in the fan-favorite Zombies mode. You can also practice your skills in private matches or against AI bots. To truly master your game, focus on customization and progression. Experiment with different weapon loadouts and operator appearances to find what suits your playstyle. Complete in-game challenges to unlock new weapons, attachments, and cosmetic items, enhancing your arsenal. Learning map layouts and common engagement areas will give you a significant tactical advantage. Finally, effective communication with your team, especially in objective-based modes, is key to securing victories.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.